Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council join us with a couple of great recipes. Good to see you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So what are we making today?
So I kind of pulled some recipes together for January using maybe some new kitchen gadgets if you got one for Christmas, or maybe you already
like
had
an
one.
air fryer maybe?
Got the air fryer recipe, the pressure cooker. These are kind of slick. So we've been taking our check-off recipes, you know, the oven recipes or slow cooker recipes, and translating them into a pressure cooker recipe. Because like this recipe here, the sweet onion and pepper beef sandwiches with au jus is a slow cooker recipe. It would take 8 to 10 hours. But you can get it done in the pressure cooker in 1 hour.
Really?
Like 50, 55 minutes. Right, so maybe if you forget to start your slow cooker in the morning or you don't want to run it all day while you're gone and you get home, you can take our slow cooker recipes and we'll have the instructions for a electric pressure cooker on the website and get it done in an hour.
Okay.
Okay, hold that for me. So yeah, so I started this one with 3 pounds of stew meat. It makes a large batch, and then I've got two medium sweet onions, Vidalia onions in here, and then a couple sweet peppers. I used red peppers, and then I just put in some beef broth, some tomato paste, a little soy sauce, and garlic, and kind of drizzled that over the top, put the lid on, set it to that beef or stew, and then it pressure cooks for 25 minutes. But it takes about 15-20 to get up to pressure. Then it'll start counting down, and then it'll take about 10 to 15 to release the pressure if you do the quick release. So start to finish like 55, 60 minutes. Makes a huge batch, you know, in case you're still tailgating. We're still playing.
And then you can put on whatever you like.
Yeah, put on some shredded cheese. I think some provolone would be good, and then you can use all this sauce in here as au jus dipping sauce.
All right, next.
Okay, so we do have a lot of recipes for the air fryer using steaks. We even have a meatball recipe. This recipe uses a tri-tip. So a tri-tip's a bottom sirloin. It's kind of a boomerang shaped or triangular. That's why we call it a tri-tip. Bottom sirloin, but usually you bake it, you can marinate it and put it on the grill. But it works good in the air fryer too. So you can have it done in less than an hour.
This one looks a little overdone.
Okay, I got this one a little overdone.
I've never seen a failed recipe.
This one is not pink medium rare. I followed the instructions from the Culinary Center. Usually they're spot on, but I'm going to change them. So when you go to the website later today and you print off the PDF of this recipe, it will not take an hour. Okay. You do not need to air fry this an hour. But I just actually tossed it with some rosemary, garlic, salt, and pepper, put it in the air fryer for 30 minutes. I think I'm going to cut that down to 20, and then add in some nice red potatoes tossed with the same seasonings. Put them in for 20, and then open it back up, put in the peppers and onions.
Beeftips.com.
Beeftips.com, and then also sous vide. So if you got a sous vide wand, which is really fun, we've got recipes for that too. Oh, okay.
Thanks, Angie.